Hello and welcome to, hopefully, the next attempt at wet vacuuming the interior of the car. So you'll have seen in the last video that I wet vacuumed the car and I got down to about this bit down here, and then the wet vac, well, blew up. So that one's gone now and we've got this replacement, and now we're going to start again. So what I wanted to do was to show you the whole procedure for how we're going to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'll introduce you to the things that we've got, the tools that we've got at the moment. So obviously you've seen the wet vac already. What we've got is we've got some Halford's upholstery cleaner. This is recommended as the best value stuff that you can get at the moment, and it seems to do quite a good job. What I've got in here is I've got a squishy bottle, and in there I've just got some normal washing up liquid and warm water. This we're going to use to pre-soak the stuff before we use the actual upholstery cleaner. What I've got here is I've got a Bosch drill, which I'm going to fit these brush parts to, which I'll leave a link in the description below for the vacs cleaner, for the upholstery cleaner, for the Bosch drill, for everything that I use. You'll see in the link below. And what we're going to do is we're going to pre-soak with this. We're then going to use the drill to brush into the carpet and agitate all the soap. And then we're going to use some of the upholstery cleaner lastly, and then use the wet vac to pull it out. So that's the plan for today. That's what we're going to do. I don't know if you can see, possibly you'll be able to see, but down here I did go, after the last failure, I did go back and do it with my my household wet vac, and it's left it in quite good condition. But what I wanted to do is show the procedure properly, top to bottom, left to right, with the proper vac for inside the car, rather than the household one, which is not so good for getting into the small parts inside the car. So yeah, so let's start from here, and hopefully this time we won't have any failures. Okay, so here we are, we're ready to start the cleaning. We've got the drill, get that bit nice and wet. You can see there, it's yep, it's definitely got some product on. So we have definitely saturated that part. We will go over the next part now. And we can use some of the carpet cleaner. And see what we can extract. I'm hoping that we're going to get much more out of the carpet now. We've done the pre-stages properly. Now put some cleaner down, and then start going over it with the extractor. Right, so here we are again. Extractor ready, hose ready. Let's see what we get out of this, see if it works properly. And what we're going to do is we're going to finish this section off. step one done. Step one being to do this bit. It's still moist to the touch, but it's not too wet, not sodden. Let's repeat the same process. So we've got the carpet in here. Now, hopefully you'll see there that I've put the very typical washing your car interior stripes in. Very easy to do, as you can see. You're just brushing it in the other direction. It's not really a trick, but it certainly makes it look as if the car has been washed. Now we can go into the centre section here. Now hopefully you can see from that how the process works and what we have to do. We do that throughout the entire car. The same method also applies to the seats. I would not use this with seats. Just use a scrubbing brush, light scrub with a brush, not to disturb the fibres too much, could lift all the dirt out, and then use the extractor to pull the dirt out of the seat itself. I'm going to continue on with the rest of the car. Next up, I think we'll have a look at replacing door cards, and we'll have a look at cleaning the steering wheel. Exciting stuff, I know. I hope this has been useful for you. It's not getting it completely pristine, but it's certainly making it a lot cleaner and presentable on the inside. This does not take a lot of effort. It just takes a little bit of practice doing these things and taking the car to bits, and then having the right tools to be able to do it. But you can do this on any car. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.